Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see who liked your thread on Thread app. First of all, open the Thread app. From the home page, click to see the likes of any thread. Once you click on likes, it shows you who and how many people have liked the thread. Scroll down to see the likes of other threads. Click on likes to view how many likes it gets. Also, you can see how many people have liked that thread. Go into your profile icon from the bottom. See the thread you posted. Click on its likes you get. Then see who liked your thread. Well, this is how you can see who liked your threads. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.